If right now your skin is feeling super crusty, dry, flaky, it is not you, it is the winter. The winter is your skin's biggest hater. Cold air means a number of things. It lowers our circulation, it lowers our oil production so we're not getting as moisturized, and it's actually taking water out of our face. There's so much less humidity in the winter than there is summer, so your skin is not getting what it needs to and losing way too much. There's also indoor heating and a lot of other things that I'm not going to go over right now, but if you want a part 2 or just more examples of things that are very destructive to your skin, especially in the winter, let me know. First and foremost is how we even clean our skin in the first place. If you are using a foaming cleanser, stop it. Switch to something else. Foaming will always be drying. It doesn't matter if it says it's hydrating, it says it has this and this and this. If it foams up, it's going to dry out your skin. So if you are dealing with dry skin issues, switch to a cream cleanser, something rich, something creamy, or better yet, switch to a cleansing balm. Always wear SPF. Even when it is raining, if the sun is out, there is UV. You need to be wearing SPF even in the winter. During the winter time, our circulation is lower, we heal slower. So don't be over exfoliating. Even if you do have a normal routine, maybe every 3 days, switch it up to 4. Give your skin a little time to breathe, a little time to reconstruct itself before you're going in and stripping it again. The last thing I'll be talking about is preventative care as to not lose as much moisture as possible. Utilize Vaseline. Vaseline's an occlusive, so it doesn't add any moisture, but it keeps water from coming in and coming out. So if you do moisturizer or something, tiny bit of Vaseline, especially on your lips. My only thing is to avoid it in your eyes because you might get milia. Vaseline is very heavy and rich and the skin under your eyes is very, very thin. So if you have makeup, you do not want to trap that in your pores. Let's remember that the biggest external factor that is damaging our skin is of course our environment. Your skincare should look different in the summer than it does the winter. If this doesn't apply to you and you kind of just watched it for funsies, awesome. Not everyone's skin is the same, but if you are noticing these changes, at least these are some things that you could do to help out.